And dogs are very simple. Animals are very simple. We make it complicated for them by not understanding who they are and what they need and their language and how they create the behavior. They don't live in the future and they don't live in the past. We are the only species that lives in the past or the future. Yeah, this is why they develop issues, because or we live in the future or we live in the past. We're not living in the moment. Dogs and any other species live in the moment. You see? In some humans, when they have a dramatic thing in their life, they're going to now live in the moment. So meaning those humans who almost die. From that point on, the water is beautiful, the food is beautiful, you know, the wife is beautiful, everything is beautiful. He's living in the moment. You see it? So one thing that I have learned from dogs is to live in the moment. So if somebody brings me a dog that just attacked a human, I don't see him as that. I see him as a dog who needs some type of help. But I don't see him as what he did yesterday, because he didn't premeditate that. This doesn't mean dogs are less than human or more than human. What I want to bring today is awareness. They're just different species. And if we don't fulfill them as a species, they're not going to be happy. What it gives you access to control the behavior is energy, body language. I want to explain the difference between conditioned skill and personality. Conditioned skill is what we do with their energy. Example. We want a dog to play with the ball and then he becomes really good at it. Doesn't mean he's a great ball player. That means we just condition him to release his energy through the ball. And through the ball, we can make him do other activities such as jumping over an obstacle or rolling over. This is not his personality. This is a conditioned skill. Personality is something that we create and it only exists in our world. In a pack of dogs, there are no personalities. In their world, it's only two positions, the leader and the follower. Now we come to the most important part of all, fulfillment. Even if you don't know anything about dogs or you have no clue about dog psychology, knowing how to fulfill a dog properly would allow him or her to be balanced. We're moving animal, we're moving dog, we're moving breed. Everything matters, but it matters in this order. If we don't follow the order, we're not going to be fulfilling Mother Nature the way the Mother Nature is intended to be fulfilled. They don't need us to be balanced. We need them to be close to Mother Nature. We need trees. We need animals. They don't need the human to be balanced. So it's our responsibility to fulfill everything in them for them to accomplish balance. Don't forget the fulfillment formula. Exercise, discipline, then affection. All right, so let's understand and apply the formula of fulfillment. Fulfillment is being able to accomplish what animals need, which we talk about it, work for food and water. And in order to work for food and water, you need to move your body and use your mind, right? That's working for food and water. Peace of mind is being balanced. When you're balanced, you relax. You're centered, you're in tune. And you don't have to be a billionaire to be balanced. You don't have to be graduated from Harvard to be balanced. See? Harvard is training. ABC 1, 2, 3.